Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for real ways to make money online in 2026, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to share 4 of the best websites where people are making money online legitimately. No scams, no fake promises. Make sure you watch until the end because number 4 is very powerful for beginners. Let's get started. 1. Upwork. Website, Upwork.com. Upwork is one of the biggest freelance platforms in the world. What you can do: writing, graphic design, video editing, data entry, social media management. How you make money. Clients post jobs, you apply, and once accepted, you get paid per project or hourly. Start with small jobs to build reviews, then increase your rates. 2. Fiverr. Website, Fiverr.com. Fiverr allows you to sell your skills as services called gigs. Popular gigs in 2026. YouTube thumbnail design, AI content writing, voiceover services, logo design, TikTok and YouTube shorts editing. How you make money. Create a gig, set your price, and clients come to you. Use keywords like fast delivery or professional service to attract buyers. 3. YouTube. Website, YouTube.com. YouTube itself is one of the best ways to make money online in 2026. Ways to earn on YouTube. YouTube AdSense. Affiliate marketing. Sponsored videos. Selling your own products. Best niches. Make money online. Tutorials. Motivation. Reviews. Shorts content. Consistency is more important than perfection. 4. Amazon Affiliate Program. Website, affiliate-program.amazon.com. With Amazon Affiliate, you earn money by promoting products. How it works. Share your affiliate link. Someone buys through your link. You earn a commission. Where to share links. YouTube video descriptions, Facebook pages, WhatsApp groups, blogs or TikTok bio. Promote products you personally trust for better conversions. Making money online in 2026 is real, but it requires patience, consistency, and learning. Start with one website, master it, then move to the next.